Hi, I am Carlo of Cloud Auto Accessories. Welcome po kayo sa shop namin. May late break kami. Ito, yung Super Grandia ni Sir. This afternoon niya lang dinala. So, sino nga ba si Cloud Auto Accessories? Kami nga pala yung nag-pioneer on customization ng automatic sliding door for Super Grandia and electronic stepboard. We do automation din ng auto tailgate lifter. I-customize namin for this project is dalawang sliding door, left and right, and then electronic stepboard. So, yung left sliding door ng Super Grandia, ilagyan namin ng electronic stepboard. So, yung loading test namin, 5 mm thick yung brackets, 300 kg load capacity. I-operate by handles yung auto sliding door. Merong left and right switches. Naglagay tayo ng passenger switch. Pabukas at pasara yung controls ng passenger switch. Operational din sa interior door handle. May passenger switch din tayo para sa kanan. Gated dashboard switch.